How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your HP printer paper feed problem. There's multiple ways to do this. Let's get started. The first one is to clean the rollers. You want to turn off the printer and unplug it. Lightly damp a long, lint-free cotton swab or cloth with bottle of distilled water. You then want to wipe the rubber feed rollers, rotating them with your fingers to clean the entire surface and allow them to dry for at least 10 minutes. Next, you want to check for obstruction. You want to use a flashlight to inspect this small input tray and put the printer for debris, such as small paper scraps, coins, and paper clips. Remove and reload. You want to remove the paper stack, fan the edges, and tap them on a flat surface to ensure even alignment. You want to check the quality and quantity. Ensure that the tray is not overloaded, usually around 10 to 25 sheets for testing, and that the paper is not bent, curled, or damaged. You want to adjust the guides. You want to slide the paper with guide so it rests against the edge of the stack but does not bend the paper itself. And lastly, you want to reset your printer. With the printer on, you want to disconnect the power cord from the printer and the wall outlet. Wait for around 60 seconds and then you want to plug it back in. And so after applying these steps, you have able to fix the paper feed problem on your printer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.